विराम प्रत्यय अभ्यास पूर्व संस्कार शेष अन्य. Namaste everyone, my name is Vasundhara Talware and welcome to the Yoga Sutra number 1.18. This sutra talks about what is the anya type of samadhi that happens in between the void of the 4 samadhis we saw in the previous sutra. So in here, Maharishi Patanjali has indicated that there's one more samadhi in between the Nirbija Samadhi and Sabija Samadhi, which he calls the Virama Pratyaya. This samadhi happens when the mind stills completely, when there are no thoughts and you become one with nature. The sadhakas who are said to be in this state of samadhi are also called Prakriti Layas. They become one with nature, they lose the sense of their bodies, they lose their identities completely. There's no I sense left. And there are 3 people quite renowned who are said to have become Prakriti Layas, who become Devatas, who become one with nature, but have also later come back to achieve the next state, which is the Nirbija Samadhi. And I'll explain to you in a short while what Sabija and Nirbija Samadhi means. But let us understand this state first. And the 3 people that I was talking about are Sri Aurobindo, Ramana Maharshi and Ramakrishna Paramhansa. So these people are renowned to have achieved this state, which is called the Virama Pratyaya. So there's something called the Sabija Samadhi, which is a samadhi using a seed. And the seed could be anything. It could be a mantra. It could be an object you're focusing on. It could be a breath that you're focusing on. It could be anything that you're using to concentrate your mind on to become one with your own self and get into the samadhi state. This is called the Sabija. With the help of the seed, you attain the samadhi. And the Nirbija Samadhi is the one which has no seed, which means that you're not taking help of anything to become concentrated and thereby get into this state of samadhi. There are no crutches in this form of samadhi, which is the Nirbija Samadhi. And in between these two is the Virama Pratyaya. This state of samadhi comes to us just before we are about to sleep. When our mind is stilled, when there are no thoughts, when our conscious is going off to sleep and then our true spirit shows up, the subconsciousness takes over. That is where the Virama Pratyaya state takes over. And this Maharishi Patanjali says is Anya, which is the other form of samadhi. He says that this is not a deliberate samadhi. It comes naturally. And the 3 people I spoke about earlier went into this samadhi for long years, only to come back and then proceed further on the path of samadhi, which is the Nirbija Samadhi. Hope this sutra has helped you understand what the Anya, the other type of samadhi besides the basic 2 samadhis are. This only makes clear that the ultimate goal of yoga is samadhi. We go through the yama, niyama, asana pranayam, pratyahar. These are the handles. These are the crutches. These are the foundations for us to grow towards dharana, that is concentration, dhyana, that is meditation, and ultimately samadhi. And then you can say you've become one with your spirit. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've liked watching this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button right there. Please like and comment and let me know how you found this video. If there's any more improvement, if you feel like I should simplify things even more, please let me know and I'll be happy to do that. See you next Monday with the next sutra. If no one told you today, I love you. Mwah.